Hey guys, welcome to QiYi with Jagger. Today, I'm going to be unboxing this puzzle I ordered from the Cubicle. So let's open up the package. So we have the receipt right here, and now we have the cube. So, I think we can just set that off to the side, and it looks like this was kind of opened already, but I think that'll be okay. And I think I'll just open it up. But before I do that, I just want to say sorry for not uploading. I've just had school to do, and I just went over to a friend's house, so haven't had a lot of time to film. And also, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this puzzle in the later part of the video, so expect that. Alright, so here it is. We got the QiYi DuoMo. So, this kind of reminds me of, a Pyraminx Duo, but it isn't quite that, just because it, has these internal pieces here that also move around. So, I'm just going to scramble it up and see if I can solve it first, I think. Alright, I think I will go into the solve now, and I guess we'll just see how it goes. The quality of this turning is actually really well. QiYi's done a nice job, and I'm really liking it. It's like a cool, weird design. So let's go. And there we go, it's all solved. And this is actually solving just exactly how I expected it to. And that's a little something like this. So, as I was waiting for this puzzle to arrive at my house, I was thinking about how I would go about solving it. And I realized that it was just the same as solving a Master Pyraminx by messing it up just like that, using only these 3 wide moves. So if you can solve a Master Pyraminx, you can solve this, because it's just a Pyraminx, but there's the extra algorithm that if you just do sledgehammers like this, you can swap these 2 center pieces here and these 2 here. And so it's just a Pyraminx plus that, and so it should be quite easy to solve. And so I suppose now we'll just get into the tutorial part of it. So obviously we are going to be scrambling it up first, of course, because that is how you start any tutorial. And you just want to make sure that each piece gets separated pretty good, and then you have lots of different colors on each face, and then you'll know that it's scrambled up well. Also, while I'm doing this, I just wanted to mention that I am not going to be doing the giveaway video right now, just because I don't want to be sending out packages during COVID, and I just feel much safer if it's all done and dealt with before I send it out. So here we go, we are getting this all scrambled, and so here we go. This looks nice and scrambled to me. And now what we want to do is make sure that each of these big corners here all have these colors, for instance yellow, align on the same face. And you can do that just by kind of turning them around and seeing what you can do to make this happen. And then we can just do that for the final thing here. And this just happened to happen for me. It does not need to, but these center pieces here, they don't need to be in place at this time. So basically what we're gonna do is take one of these sides, I'm just gonna use yellow, and put that on the bottom, and then we're gonna look around for pieces in this layer that have yellow on them as well. So for instance, this yellow and blue, if we take this blue and match it up with this blue here, so it makes kind of a weird shape like this, then we can bring this up, this over to match with this here, and then we can bring it back down. And that puts this blue piece in here. And now we can do that again for this red piece here. So we will go up on the right, slide this yellow piece in here, and bring it back down. Now that solved all of the pieces for me except for this one, which is in its place but flipped. So basically all you want to do is take any piece and just put it into that spot. So let's just say we want to put this piece in. We can bring it up on the left, slide that piece in, bring the left back down, and restore the corner. And so now we have that yellow piece out, so it is on the left, so we bring the right side up, slide the yellow in, and bring that back down. And then, of course, restore the center. Now what you want to do is see what case you have on the top here. Now, if you have something that looks like this, then we are going to have to do a special step. But if it looks like this, for instance, where we have sets of 2 here, like 2 reds, 2 blues, and 2 greens, then all you need to do in this case is take the right side up and then bring these 2 matching pieces away from the side they need to go on. So they need to go on this right side here. So we're gonna bring them left in the algorithm. So we just go up on this right side, left over, this side back down, left again, this side up, left one more time, and now one more time right. So that is that case. So if you have something that looks something like this maybe, or really just anything that doesn't have these matching pieces along each side, then what you want to do is take out one of these yellow pieces or whatever color you have on the bottom just by doing R, U, R prime, or right up, bringing the top around like this, and then the right side back down. Then what you want to do is see what piece you have here. So I have the blue and the green, and then what you want to do is find where that piece needs to go. So that piece needs to go in this slot here. So you want to move that over and see, can you move it into that spot from here? And you'll see if you move it up, no you can't, because these colors are swapped. So all you need to do is bring it back down and try it from the other angle. So from the left here, bring it up, see that it matches, move it out of the way like this, and bring it back down. So now we have this red and blue. So what we want to do is find the red and blue. We see that it's this slot right here. We go up, see if it matches, and we see it does match, so we'll slide that out of the way, making sure not to slide this in, because that would wreck this. And then we bring it back down. And now we see that we have that case I was talking about earlier on the Master Pyraminx. So now what you want to do is hold 2 pieces that need to swap on the front and the bottom and the back 2 sides here, and then just go down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And that's all you need to do. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for this video. I don't think there's any more cases that I've forgotten. If there was, try to explain them to me in the comment section, and I will definitely try to get back to you and see if I can help out. But this is just a pattern that I made that I think looks pretty cool, and you can make it even more intricate by going like this. And yeah, so that's just kind of something I made while messing around. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you solve the QiYi DuoMo. And just a brief overview of how I think the puzzle performed. It performed very well. I really liked how it turned, and just the idea of it in general. It's very cool, and I think it moves quite well. And it's very unique. I haven't seen any puzzles like this, which is why I decided to make a quick tutorial on it. And yeah, I would definitely recommend getting one. But with that, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, all that good stuff. You know what to do. Turn on the bell notification button to get notified when I upload new videos. I know I haven't said that much, so I'm gonna say it here and see if it helps anything. And yeah, so anyway, don't twist me, corner slam away. Bye!